If you want to become a virtual assistant, your Gmail needs this. Is this what your emails look like every time you reply to a client? I'm talking about a professional email signature on all your email that will make your emails look much more professional as a VA or business owner. It's simple to create, so let's get into the video.
Open your Gmail on your laptop. From the right side, click the gear icon. Select See All Settings. When you select that, come to General, scroll down until you see Signature. By the right side corner, select Create New. Then enter the name you want to use for your new signature. For this video, we are going to use Joy's signature. After which you have done, click Create. Then what do you want people to see in your email? It could be your name, your logo, address, phone number, your professional links. This Joy signature will appear at the down left side of her email. You will see best regard, her name, her phone number, her email address, her professional links, like her website, her portfolio, her LinkedIn profile are the things that she can add in her professional links.
Wait, don't make this mistake. A lot of beginners add too much information. Keep it clean and easy to read.
What else can we do here? We can highlight the name and bold it. Put the best regard in Italian font, give some space within the best regard and the name. You can also add your logo from the image icon. You can insert your image. So this is very important aspect of it. Go a bit down till you see signature default. And then from the new email, select Joy signature. On reply, remove it from no signature to Joy's signature. After which, scroll down and save changes. Now, whenever you try to compose a new email, you will always see it as a default, best regard, all those things that we added. You will always see it there. This is basically how to make your email more professional. Of course, you know we cannot end this video without practicing what we have been explaining. So let's go back to filling the names and the role, the phone number, the professional links, and then after you have done that, save it and we try to compose a new email. Copy, I can send it to myself and then I can put it as testing on it. Everything that we have been explaining actually work. So I believe today you have learned how to set your professional signature.
Do you already have an email signature? Comment yes or no below. If you're learning virtual assistant skills, follow for more beginner-friendly tips. And if you're starting from zero, check out my VA starter kit for beginners linked in my bio.